Hi everyone, I am Vrishali Kulkarni and today we are talking about yet another important topic, that is exchange traded funds or ETFs. Specifically, we will explore how ETFs can not only help you diversify your portfolio but also reduce risk and potentially enhance returns, especially in Indian context. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of why ETFs might be a game changer for your investments. First things first, what exactly are ETFs? Think of them as baskets of securities like stocks, bonds, or commodities that trade on stock exchanges, just like individual stocks. ETFs offer a diversified investment option that can mirror an index or a sector without having to buy all the individual components separately. One of the most significant advantages of ETFs is their ability to reduce risk through diversification. In simple terms, don't put all your eggs in one basket. By investing in an ETF that tracks a broad index such as Nifty 50 or the Sensex in India, you can diversify your risk. This diversification helps cushion against the impact of poor performance from any single stock. For instance, if one company in the index underperforms, the impact on your overall ETF investment is minimized because of the other companies in the index. ETFs also offer cost effective access to a diversified portfolio. Buying and selling ETFs typically incur lower transaction costs compared to buying individual stocks or actively managed mutual funds. This cost efficiency can significantly enhance your returns over the long term by reducing the drag of fees and expenses. Another key benefit of ETFs is liquidity. Since they trade on stock exchanges throughout the trading day, you can buy or sell ETFs at any time, just like stocks. This liquidity provides flexibility, allowing you to quickly adjust your portfolio in response to market conditions or changes in your investment strategy. Now let's talk about the potential for higher returns. While ETFs aim to replicate the performance of an index rather than beat it, they can still deliver competitive returns over the time. According to a research, over the long term, many actively managed funds fail to outperform their benchmark indices consistently. By investing in ETFs that track well established indices, you align your returns closely with the overall market performance, which historically has shown steady growth. In conclusion, exchange traded funds can be a powerful tool for investors looking to diversify their portfolios, reduce risk, and potentially enhance returns. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, consider incorporating ETFs into your investment strategy to take advantages of their benefit. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to check out our other videos in this series. Thank you for tuning in. This is Vrishali Kulkarni signing off. Until next time.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.